Catch me some wind.
Man your stays, we trim too.
Get the tops of royals
I
down.
know she's a good sailor. Now prove it, my trumps.
Give everything she's got. Ease up.
Ready and willing, Captain.
Fire! Careful around the navy. They're as likely to ram you as fire a broadside.
Let's test those powder barrels against them, shall we?
Fine, good thinking. More sail! All sail! Raise!
Brace for impact!
Fire! 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 Brace yourself! Douse the royals and toss! Fire! Fire! Fast as you dare! Fire! Fire! Raise! Fire! Give everything she's got! Fire! Raise! Fire! Faster now! Ease her off! Brace for impact! Fire! 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 Douse all brace! Fire! Mains out! Let's go! As much sail as you can! Raise! Fire! Fire! Raise! Ease off! Bring in some sail!
Topsails in! Blew we have the wind at our back!
Haul up the royal!
Look, sir! We can board and take her!
Drag them to their doom!
Take the fight to them!
Like they were fish from a shallow wreck.
Aye, they'll do for now. Can't be relied on for much longer. Give voice, you tars! Give everything she's got!
Shamrock and rose, boys. Shamrock, rose and thistle too. Shamrock and rose, boys. Holly, holly, ho. England, old Ireland. England, old Ireland. England, old Ireland. Holly, holly, ho. Ireland, Ireland.
It's a brig! They're Jack Spanish! Seem to be on their own, sir! Search for... Fire! Hands on deck! Fire! Race for impact! Fire! Fire! Tops! Gallants! Fire! Race! Fire! Oh, come on! Hit the button! Fire! Fire! Fasten yourselves! Fire! Pressure, aim there! Fire!
Faster now! Ease her off!
Fire! Race! Avoid the ram at all costs, sir! Fire! Fire! That's not close!
Calm her down!
Fire! Race! Save yourself!
Give me more sail!
Lay aloft! Do not leave them muzzled!
Full sail! Crowd it all! Give us a shanty!
Fire!
Now, get her back!
Lay aloft! Fight your sluts!
Brace yourselves!
Hard at the fight! Brace yourselves for collision! Fire! Ready to burn!
James,
Mind the helm, sir! You will break us apart! Fire! Fire!
Fasten yourselves!
Fire! Land these eyes! We're going to hit them!
Haul them in! Get off the wind!
Fire!
Ready powder! Crowd on every inch of sail!
Fire! Fire!
gallants and royals! As much Fire! Fasten yourselves! Fire! Douse the royals and tops! Grappling hooks away! Let's to the prize!
Secrecy.
Agreed. So, how do we get rid of this notoriety we've stirred up?
Money, my boy. A well-placed bribe to the right government official will see the military off your tail.
Right, let's do that. I'll need to meet these good Samaritans at some point.
Smart thinking. A hunter's court you're sent. There's a cannon in every gun port. I'd give her a wide berth if I were you.
Fast as you dare! Ease her off!
Set for debarking!
Aye, sir.
Pursue me like lovesick puppies. Yet it is only you, my friend, who can satisfy me.
I can keep the heat
Aye.
for a fee.
And what would such business do for me?
Tell me, what does your heart desire? Companions to scale the heights of pleasure? Gold enough to rule your own empire? Or cannons enough to make even galleons fear you?
The gold will do.
Ah, a man after my own heart. He who has the gold can exchange it for any object he desires. I can provide gold and something more. Opportunity. We will talk again, Captain.
Right. Now let me work my magic. Now, will you replace those rotten cannons, or shall I fish out some rusted flintlocks for you, too?
We'll fix up the guns, Jesus.
You require my services.
You're a wonder, Kenway. You've a knack for this kind of work.
It ain't work if you love it.
Sarge.
But I ain't doing this forever, lads. Only until I get enough coin to buy some land and influence back home.
Jesus, will you listen to your tribe? Still dreaming on about that strumpet back in England when you could have any better you wanted here and now.
Ah, such lofty goals for you gents. And here I thought I was in the company of scoundrels. A fine purchase today. What's the crew's mood?
All smiles and no teeth. And there's a few talking about meeting with Master Kid to steal from a nearby plantation.
A plantation? That's ambitious.
Profitable too, if we can manage it.
Aye. It's a good idea. So, where is Master Kid?
Andreas Island. We're going after the plantation.
That depends. Is the crew ready?
They are. Any sign of trouble, and they'll know what to do. We've got your back, Captain.
A song! Speed, lads!
Heave him up and away we'll go. Wavy Susie-Anna. We'll heave him up and away we'll go. We're all bound over the mountain. We'll heave him up from down below. Wavy Susie-Anna. For that is where the cocks do crow. We're all bound over the mountain. And if we drown while we are young, wavy Susie-Anna, it's better to drown than to wait to be hung. We're all down over the mountain. Oh, growl ye may, but go ye must. Wavy Susie-Anna, if ye growl too hard, your head shall bust. We're all down over the mountain. Up cocks, you cocks, and turn to blood. Wavy Susie-Anna, and go below to your old ditty box. Down and over the mountain. Oh, rock and shake, one more drag. Wavy Susie-Anna. Oh, bend your duds and pack your bag. We're all down over the mountain.
Ease the mains off the wind!
Bring in the top hat!
Enough, thanks!
Hey, have a care, drunkard!
You be good now.
Oh, you are such a reputation for spoon.
Indeed. I relinquished the tools of my trade to play the viola with them on Sundays. It is a most restful satisfaction.
Why, look! It's the bastard son of the late William Kidd. Still a mere boy, and yet 10 times the demon his father was.
Fancy seeing you here, Kenway. Still looking sleek and mean. Did you steal that costume from a dandy in Havana?
No, sir. I found this on a corpse. One that was walking about and talking shite to my face only moments before.
Huh.
So, what's this I hear about a planned raid on a plantation? Not keeping secrets from me, are you?
Not very well. Every day, schooners packed with sugar sail past, coming from plantations nearby. Most times they stop here, sell off a few crates. There's one man visiting today that'd earn you a fine profit. So if you'd like to rob his plantation, I'll point him out.
I would.
Here, take this. It's deadly up close and from afar.
More rope. Easy purchase for any sailor.
This way. Follow that man, and he'll lead you straight to your prize.
Is it a Mr. Beckford that owns this plantation?
That's the man. He owns dozens round these islands, and he's bloody rich.
Just the sort I like to see robbed.
And he knows it. The Beckfords have their own army, courtesy of the Crown.
Good. I'm only after the fattest prizes.
His agent's inspecting the sugar crates. Try not to scare him off.
I could put Kid's gift to good use. Could have something useful on him. Beckford's man was headed for Cat Island. Looks to be something in that bottle.
Captain's on deck! Captain, you have the look of a man crafting a bold idea. A look I've seen before.
You mark well, Ade. The manifest tells of the Beckford plantation on Cat Island, and all the cargo kept there. And it gave me the idea that I might take these goods off them and sell the lot for a better price than they'd ever ask.
Ah, a man of vision. I like this idea.
The plantation belongs to a Peter Beckford. Do you know of his family? The Beckfords and their sugar empire.
Aye. The Beckfords and the Draxes. I never worked their plantations, but I knew their names from hearing other men curse them.
But you worked a plantation, no?
A modest one, aye. As a striker in the boiling house.
Boiling house? Was it water they boiled? Something else?
Cane juices. It's a hard process making sugar. Dangerous, too. Must be why it fetches such a dear price.
What's it like? Toiling on a plantation day and night?
Well, with the cane sugar cut and harvested, it's run between two metal rollers that crush the juice from the plant. Often it would happen that a man got his arm trapped in a roller and crushed to the thinness of a cream. In those times, It was an axe that separated the man from his plight, meaning his arm from his body.
Jesus.
After collecting the juice, it was time to boil away the waters from the sugar. This we did in tatches made of copper. But let me tell you, brother, boiling sugar is near the hottest thing on earth. Just a touch on the skin will stick like bird lime and burn on, leaving a terrible scar. I had friends lose eyes and fingers and arms working the boiling house. And as slaves, believe that we never heard a word of praise, nor an apology of any kind.
That's a sorry fate. I should like to take this plantation and its owners for all they're worth.
Fast as you dare!
Get some sail upon her. All away!
Brig Brigade! King George's yacht! Captain, that's Cat Island!
Thank you, Ade. Steady as she goes, lads!
Who holds festivities on a plantation?
It would be to our advantage.
All right. It's a risk to anchor too close. The soldiers roving the plantation would catch us for sure.
Drop here then and sneak ashore. We'll look after the Jackdaw. They're sure to be keeping the goods in the warehouse, locked and under close watch.
I'll have to slip past the guards and find the key.
Tread carefully, and we'll see each other soon.
Haul up the royals!
Trim off the wind, my boys! Ease her!
Which of these louts has the warehouse key?
What is the young Mr. Beckford doing here?
I don't know, sir. Him and his retinue have uncorked just about every bottle of drink we have. And he's ordered all the guards to partake.
Oh, God help me.
Did you hear? Master Beckford has procured for himself a unicorn horn. You feeble-minded fool. Unicorns are a myth. Look into Master Beckford's bedroom and tell me that what you see is not a lucky unicorn horn. You and your fairy stories.
Look at yourself. You've got blood dripping down your chin. Did you even reach the bell in your state?
I'll be fine. Cheers, friend. You always look out for me.
Yeah, don't mention it, mate.
Enjoy your fun. There'll be more than just headaches tomorrow.
Very good. We march for the mansion.
Sir, Mr. Beckford is entertaining guests. He does not wish to be disturbed.
Is this how that molly-coddled... Very well. I'll return tomorrow when Mr. Beckford has regained his senses.
The Beckford brat should have the key. A house full of tipplers loaded to the gunwale. Which one's Beckford?
Many men curse my father. And perhaps
That empty-eyed sneezer must be Beckford.
None dare say it to his face. Oh, very good, sir. Splendid idea. Fly. The lot of father's power, might, birth. Those sycophantic parasites will receive nothing.
Yes, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you. Was it Babington or Freckleton?
Well, it is Wilmington, sir. 33 years now.
That's very good chap.
Thank you, sir.
It's time I had a look inside that warehouse. A good take. Now to slip away. Come here, you. Loose some sail, we move!
Get on that main sheet! Trim to!
Give me every inch of sail! Up yards, douse topmast sails! Trim as near the wind as you dare.
Cliff ahead, sir!
They're ancient Spanish!
They've got friends, sir! Starboard, coming!
On your mark, sir!
The wind has us! She's a cutter!
Clew up the foremast main!
All alone, sir!
Sir, to full!
Heave to, lads!
Captain's got in a drink!
Good.